uh, lecture series of elements of electronics. So today we will see what is a course structure of elements of electronics. So here in elements of electronics, basically that subject is related to the electronics. So in that one we will study the power supply, different semiconductor components like diode, resistor, transistor, then oscillators. Again, the course score for this course is DET 1201 and the name of subject is elements of electronics. So for this one, the in teaching scheme we have the 3 hours per week. So here I will prepare the video, and that video I will upload it on the Google Classroom as well as on the YouTube. So student will watch this video, will also conduct the class in real time environment, but now this will be the common for all the branches. So I will record the video. So in this one we have the 3 hours per week lecture. Then for credit we have the 6 credits for theory as well as practical. So in practical session we have the term work as well as the external oral examination. Sorry, external practical examination. Again for mid sem exam we have 30 marks, end sem exam we have 70 marks, and the papers that we have the 3 hours paper is there. Okay. So after this we will go for the course outcome. So course outcome म्हणजे काय तर here what is the course outcome? So after completion of this course, what will student will understand? Means student will get after what the student will get after the completion of this course. So in that one, first one, after completion of course, the student will understand the basic of semiconductor diode. So what is a diode? Diode is basically a rectifying device which will convert AC supply to DC supply. In your house we have the AC supply, and that will be converted to DC supply. That should be required for the electronics as well as for the electrical purpose. Okay, just like you have the mobile charger. So mobile charger basically works on the AC to DC, and that mobile charge is also called as a rectifier. So in this particular rectifier or mobile charger we have to use the diode as a device, and that basic function of diode is what it will convert AC to DC, that is alternating current to direct current. You will also see this in the electrical branch, basic electrical engineering, that how what is the AC signal and what is the DC signal. AC signal is basically we have to given it for the motors, then press, again somewhat heater. For that one we have to give the AC signal, and for DC signal we have to use LED TV, LCD TV, mobile phone charger. That is a that should be work on what DC signals. Okay, then we will in second unit we will learn the rectifier and filters. What is a rectifier and filter? The rectifier and filter is a device which will convert the AC signal, that is alternating signal, into DC signal. Then understand the basic of transistor. Transistor is basically work as an amplifier. Amplifier means what? It will be increase the signal level. For example, you have the 2 volt of signals, and I want to convert this 2 volt into 10 volts. So I have to use the amplifier, and reverse of amplifier is the attenuators. So I want to convert 10 volt to 2 volt, I have to use the attenuator. So here the transistor and field effect transistor FET both are work as an amplifier. Their characteristic, learn transistor as an amplifier. Okay, then fourth one is related to the regulators. What is a regulator? That will regulate the output power supply. Just like in our home we have the stabilizer, inverter, that will be what that should be minimize the voltage fluctuations. So in fourth unit we have to use that what will be the course outcome? familiarize the concept of Zener diode and its application as a regulator, understand the transistorized and IC based regulators. Okay, then fifth unit is the oscillator. Oscillator is basically generate the sinusoidal waves. ओके, म्हणजे कुठलीही एक डिव्हाइस और कुठलंही एक सिग्नल ऑसिलेटरला दिलं आपण की त्याचा आउटपुट काय येणार आहे, सायनोसायडल वेव्ज येणार. मग हे जे डिटेल आहे ते आपण नंतर स्टडी करणार आहे. देन सिक्स युनिट डेमॉन्स्ट्रेट द नॉलेज ऑफ बायनरी नंबर थेरी, बुलन अल्जेब्रा अँड बायनरी कोड्स. Here we have the digital signals. Basically that digital signal is in terms of binary forms, that is 1 and 0. Then we have gates and flip flops. मग हे बायनरी सिग्नल किंवा डिजिटल सिग्नल कुठे यूज होतात, मोबाईल कम्युनिकेशन, वायरलेस सिग्नल, सॅटेलाईट, राडार, रेडिओज, जिथे जिथे वायरलेस सिग्नल असेल किंवा इंटरनेट सिग्नल्स, ऑन दॅट वन वी हॅव टू यूज द binary number digital signals. Okay, the next one we will go for the unit first syllabus. The name of unit first is a semiconductor diode. What is a semiconductor? It is a mixing of the conductor and insulators. Okay, so by using semiconductor we have to design diode, resistor, capacitors, multiple application, LED, photodiode, laser diode, power diodes. Okay, so semiconductor diode, that diode is basically used to convert what AC to DC signal. तर त्यामध्ये आपण काय, in that one we have studied the constructions, symbol, working principles. Construction means its figure, the symbol of a diode, working principles. Okay, now we will see specification and application of semiconductor diode. Then semiconductor diode is used in rectifiers. Then multiple application is there, basically used to convert AC signal, alternating signal to DC signal. Then forward and reverse biasing and VI characteristic of falling semiconductor diode. VI means voltage and currents. Then PN junction diode, that is also semiconductor normal diode. Then Zener diode, PN junction diode basically works in a forward bias, while Zener diode basically works in a reverse bias. Special diode, now everyone will aware that what is a LED. LED is a light emitting diode. So already LED is in mobiles, multiple application of LED is there, in TV, DVD. Then LED TV is there, LED bulb is there. Okay, so LED basically used for the small voltage applications. All these devices will work on the that. All this diode basically is the semiconductor diode. Then LED basically emit the light. That output of LED is what the light signals. Okay, photodiode. So photodiode basically used to accept the light signals. Okay, so photodiode basically used in the mall, multiplex, to count the number of peoples. Okay, for counting purpose we have to use the photodiode. Then already all of you are aware what is laser diode and photodiode. Laser diode is basically used in X-ray, CT scan, MRI. In medical applications we have to use the laser diode. Kidney stone treatment we have to also use the laser diode. Then heart surgery, then power diode for higher signals. Okay, then afterwards we have to use the diode in rectifiers and filters. The unit second is related to the rectifiers and filters. Okay, then we will see what is the types of rectifiers. So in type of rectifier we will study half wave, full wave. Then third one is bridge wave, center tap and bridge wave rectifiers. Okay, so all these three rectifier we have to use it: half wave rectifier, full wave rectifier, bridge and center tap rectifier. Then afterwards we will study the circuit of half wave, full wave, input output waveforms of the rectifiers. Okay, and then what is the basic principle of rectifier? The rectifier will convert AC to DC signals. Okay, then for voltage and currents. Okay, then different parameters of rectifiers. How we will compare the half wave, full wave, bridge and center type rectifiers? So by using the parameter we will compare this. Average DC value of current voltage, DC is direct current, ripple factor, ripple frequency, PIV, peak inverse voltage of diode, TUF, transformer utilization factor and efficiency of rectifiers. Okay, then types of filters. So there are multiple types of filters are there: shunt capacitor, series inductor, LC and pi type of filters. So this is a unit second. So in unit second we will study rectifier, its type, filter and its type. Okay, it is a simple unit. Then the third one is a transistor. Transistor basically work as an amplifier. So in transistor again there are two types, BJT and FET. BJT, long form of BJT is bipolar junction transistor, and another is FET, that is the field effect transistor. So different types of transistor we have PNP and NPN. These are the type. PNP means P type of semiconductor which will be sandwiched between the N type of semiconductor will sandwich between the two type of semiconductor. It will form PNP. And NPN म्हणजे then P type of semiconductor is sandwiched between the two N type of semiconductor. Then transistor configuration: CB, common base; C, common emitter; CC, common collector. Just remember CB, CC, CE, common base, common emitter and common collector. Transistor CE configuration. Then in that one, circuit diagram, input and output characteristics, different points of characteristic, cutoff, active and saturation, input resistance, output resistance, current gain, BJT biasing, DC load line, operating points. Then in BJT we will study voltage divider bias, single stage and multi-stage CE amplifier, circuit diagram. This is the syllabus of BJT. In again single stage amplifier we will study function of each component and frequency response. In that one, bandwidth, transistor as a switch. Then after BJT we will go for FET, that is a field effect transistor. So in that one we will study N channel and P channel. So N channel and P channel we will study symbol, working principle and characteristics. Circuit diagram for drain and transfer characteristic, operating region of characteristic. Okay. So today we will see the syllabus of first 3 units. So next 3 units we will study afterwards. So first 3 units, that is first unit is a semiconductor diode. In that semiconductor diode we will study PN junction diode, Zener diode, light emitting diodes, photodiode, laser diode and piodiode. These 5 diodes we have studied in first unit. Diode is basically used to convert AC signal into DC signal. Okay. Rectifier. Then rectifier and filters. Rectifier and filter basically again same function is will be used in the mobile charger, which has an input supply of 230 volts, but output of mobile charger connected to mobile is what, DC signal of a 5 volts only. Okay, so that is a function of rectifier and filter to convert AC signal to DC signal. And the third unit is that should be the unit 3, that should be the transistor as an amplifier. And in transistor we will study bipolar junction transistor, its type, field effect transistor, its type, its circuit diagram, working and operations. Okay, thank you.